Pristine white beaches, secluded islands, scenic coral reefs, and exciting water sports. We bet you can't help falling in love with Maldives. But booking a vacay here is no mean feat. That's where we come in. In this one-stop video, we will tell you about where to stay, airport transfers, types of villas, and meal plans, and how to book with a few simple taps. This is just the guide you need, especially if you are traveling from India. Let's start with helping you choose the perfect island for your stay. Select from the local islands like Malé and Hulhumalé, or private islands on North and South Malé Atoll, which are popular among Indian travelers. Tap on the locality filter to find your options. Guest houses on local islands are great for budget travelers, while private island resorts are perfect for luxury. In Maldives, each resort is on its own island. Use price and property filters to find your preferred stay. Maldives offers unique airport transfers. You can opt for seaplane, speedboat, or domestic flight for private islands and enjoy picture-perfect views. For local islands, take taxis or ferries. To check airport transfers for a property, click on How to reach and about the hotel section. You can also see final transfer charges on review page. Speedboat transfer charges start at $90 and seaplane at $350. Public ferries for local islands start as cheap as $1. Do confirm transfer-related details with the property in advance. Charges need to be paid directly there. When it comes to food, private island resorts offer multiple meal plans from breakfast to all-inclusive. All-inclusive is a stress-free and popular option. It includes unlimited food, drinks, and few activities. On local islands, you can also dine at nearby restaurants. Visit Food and Dining section to know more about Indian food options. There are 3 types of villas available on private island resorts: overwater, beach, and garden. Overwater villas are the most luxurious and offer direct access to the ocean. Many Indian travelers prefer to split their stay in the same property. For instance, you can opt for 2 nights in a beach villa and 2 nights in an overwater villa. Maldives is known for amazing activities and experiences like scuba diving and floating breakfast. Click Activities and Experiences section for all the details. To book faster, check Your Guide to Maldives for more information. Here is what you can't miss on your Maldives holiday: unique overwater villas, scenic seaplane transfers, all-inclusive meal plans, scuba diving, and snorkelling. Bon voyage!